Welcome to the afternoon before the night of the evening after the time of the day before. Or was that the morning after? Did I just get up? Or you couldn't figure out when I actually got up, could you? This is not live. This is what I have to say. This is about roulette. This is about the combinations in roulette. The beginning of roulette, when you combinate the red numbers, it creates an X. And the first 9 numbers of 3, 5, 7, and 9. It does it twice on the wheel. One time it adds up to a total of 25. And the other time it's 19, 21, 23, 25, and 27. Both centers are 30, 23. 3 and 2 is 5. And both centers 5. Both numbers, 19 and 1. 1 and 9 is 10. 1 and 0 is 1 is 1. 21, 2 and 1 is 3. 25, 2 and 5 is 7, 27, 2 and 7 is 9. So they're exactly the same replica of each other. Okay, and if you take a look, okay, the row, one angle of one row is a total of 15. 1 and 5 is 6. The total number in there is 25, 2 and 5 is 7. In the row below, one row is 69. 6 and 9 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. If we go down to the bottom, 30 plus 32 plus 34 plus 36, which creates a Y shape on the board. I call it the Gimmel runner. It totals 132, 1, 3, and 2 is 6. The same Y on the same board, but on the lower section, 12, 14, 26, and 16 is 42, plus 18 is 60, which represents the 4 angle, which totals 60, which is another 6. That's the fourth 6. Now here's another one where the black numbers create 2, 4, 6, 8 with the red inside. You have XO. XO is the 24th, and the 15th letter is 39. It means perfection. X is also the 10th letter, as O can be 0, which can say 100, or O is 15 and X is 10, saying 25. And if you add the red numbers that go there, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it equals that 25. It also represents Jack. Then you add that up, it equals 20, it equals 2. 11, 13, 15, 17 equals 56. 5 and 6, 11, 1 and 1 is 2. 20, 22, 24, 26, 92. 9 and 2 is 11, 1 and 1 is 2. 29, 31, 33, 35, 128. 8, 2 is 1, and 1 is 11, 1 and 1 is 2. 2, 2, 2, 2 of 6, 6, 6, 6. So if anybody's asking, is this world the 6, 22, 6 world? Well, what is the actual question? I don't know the question. I can only throw you out a bunch of stuff that I find. And I find it because I think it's relevant. So I showed you that there's another thing that when you take this 15, you get 15 from 4 corners, because you have to go 1, 5, 9, 15, then you have to go 3, 5, 7, 15, then 7, 5, 3, 15. So the actuality of how many 15s there are in that, there are 60. And 69, there's 276, which equals to 152, which equals to 13, which equals to 4. Anyways, there was one other thing I wanted to get to before this talking bull. I wanted to show you in 2014, okay, 2000, 0, 1, 4, it creates a square and it creates a triangle, creating 3 points and 4 points. If you put them together, it creates the letter Resh. You're connecting together on the bottom, but don't you worry about it. When anything touches the bottom, the line either appears or disappears. So this is what happens in 2014, 2015. This is the British flag, is it not? It is also number 9, 9XO, and that's the highest you can get, 275. Is that what it is? 8, 2 1/4, 250. And that's what it's all about, 25, 625. The duck says quack, quack. Another thing I wanted to show, I wasn't going to show this, but I saw 3 times today. The S, The 1 goes between everything. You can have n and n. Maybe that's why n and n, like Einstein, appears twice, n and n. You couple the point on the top around to the point of the center, around to the point of the bottom, making an M or a B or an NB. It can also represent the circles of Saturn. Here's one on the top, here's one on the bottom. You see the third one? There's one on the top, there's one in the middle, there's one on the bottom. This can be Saturn's S, not only for Superman. Okay? It can also represent the rest of the planets. Anyways, I wasn't going to really do that. And also, where do I get this? Is all you have to do is take 2 digital dots and put one here and one here. And what's the next thing you do? You put a circle around the dot like a bullseye. You put a circle around the bottom. It looks like they're together. Like between 7 and 9, 7 is holding on to a dot at 70. It's 670. Spirit is 76. 6 is next to 7. 7 is next to 8. It gets to heaven. So this is the digitals. So now you make the 8. Now the outline of the 8 goes look and look, and now it looks like a 3. And I seen the sign 3 times today. That is the, and that's the calling. That is the 3 little pigs. That is communication. That is the AT attraction field of communication, transmission. The calling of time has come, but it doesn't make any sense because I didn't get hurt yet in life. Or actually, I've got hurt and so often in the past that it's the past, I forgot about it. It's like I didn't get hurt at all. Maybe because I learned. Maybe that's what it's all about. Did enough of us, and most of us, learn that now we come into the time to show us what we had missed for what we had not done is what's coming next. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Is there anything else? So let me take a check. Oh, and there's another thing. I think I did this one already. The number of bets and the way you bet in roulette, and nothing surpasses 21. And right now in the system that we are in, we are at 20.25, which leaves a distance of 7 and 5, which is George the Egg, which is next year. And that's why I keep repeating it, because I see it all the time. And it also means another thing is that the center of everything may be 37 going to 37, and 37 is 74, but 37 and a half and 37 and a half is 75, because you're not working center, you're working center and right, center and left. So you add on the half to work with the right. That's how you get your 75/57, because you're going backwards this way. Minus 6 from 25 is 19, times 3 is 57, 75. 3 by 19, 3 by 25, 44. Barack Obama, 4 by 4 is 16. 4 plus 4 is 8, 24. 24 reverse in a 10 world is 86. 8 by 6 is 48. 8 plus 6 is 14. 62. 6 and 2 is 8. The heaven of Barack Obama, 4 and 4. Again, 8 and 9. We've come into the times of the 8 and 9, and we have to say goodbye. Goodbye.